How to download iPhone apps not available in your country. Here's how you can fix the app not available in your country or region message. First, open the Settings app. Tap your Apple ID at the top. Next, tap Media and Purchases. Then select View Account. Now, tap Country/Region. Select the country where the app is available. Tap Agree to accept Apple's terms and conditions. Read and accept Apple's terms and conditions. If prompted, enter a valid payment method, or choose None if it's available for your Apple ID. Then enter a billing address for the selected country and complete the process. Finally, tap Next or Done to save the changes. Once the country has been changed, open the App Store, then search for the app again, and you should now be able to download it. If you don't want to change your current App Store region, another option is to create a second Apple ID for the country where the app is available. Sign into the App Store using that Apple ID, download the app, and then you can switch back to your original Apple ID. The installed app will remain on your iPhone. Keep in mind that changing your App Store country may require you to cancel active subscriptions, spend any remaining Apple ID balance, and wait for pending purchases to complete before the change is allowed. And that's it. That's how you can download apps that aren't available on your country on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.